We are here at Tumok Beach.
Tumok Beach!
Yeah, Tumok Beach is in Agno, Pangasinan.
We were only supposed to be here for a quick lunch break. 2 hours tops, but look around. It's been more than half a day and we're still not ready to leave.
Dapat papasyalin lang namin tong lugar na to. Itong napakagandang lugar na to.
The plan was simple: eat lunch, take a few photos, head back home. But our quick stop turned into an overnight getaway. Today, I'm showing you exactly how we found this hidden gem, how we survived on half-day supplies, and why this might be the best mistake we've ever made. Let's go!
Cup, dust on the bumper, map on the dash. Kids in the backseat, laughing in the backbeat. Every little mile goes by too fast. Got the sun on our shoulders, a little chill in the air. Every turn of the wheel, saying yeah, we're almost there. We're Bernardo overland. Got our whole life in the back of this van. From the red rock roads to the tall tree stands. If you wave as you pass, we'll be holding out a hand. 'Cause strangers on the trail turn to family in the sand. Yeah, that's just who we are. Bernardo overland. Hey, hey. Bernardo overland.
We were just looking for a spot to eat lunch, but then we saw this trail. This is too good to leave.
Akin.
I will get this. On this side, so it will not fall. Like that. Oh, it's fine with toys.
Wala lang tirahan. Kung meron sana tayo pang camping, nag-camping na sana tayo dito, may tubig at kuryente naman. Tahimik. We are here at Tumok Beach.
Tumok Beach!
Yeah, Tumok Beach is in Agno, Pangasinan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Full of boats.
Yeah. It's white sand and blue waters with rock formations. Agno, Pangasinan is known for its rock formations there. Pwedeng mag-camping dito. May kuryente, may tubig, may CR. 500 ang upa dito sa cottage. mamaya. May tindahan doon. Yan. There. Tindahan. Mga basic essentials lang. Mga chichirya. May yelo. May iced coffee. May shampoo. Conditioner. Yan. Meron sila doon. Pero yung mga iluluto, yung mga karne, mga ganun, kailangan yung dalhin. Tapos, nakita lang namin to sa maps. Google Maps. Dito. Maraming CR meron pa doon. May CR pa doon. And then, si Daddy tulog. May nagka-camping doon. Yun, nagka-camping. Mainit siya, pero mahangin. Maaliwalas yung hangin. Hindi mainit yung hangin. Trinay lang namin dito. Para lang may ma-discover na iba. Yan.
The beach in Agna was a sight to behold, with its umbrella rock formations, pristine white sands, and tranquil waves gently lapping at the shore. The seclusion offered a sense of serenity that is often hard to find. We were enchanted by the beauty surrounding us and found it increasingly difficult to leave.
So, ito na nga. Dapat, papasyalin lang namin tong lugar na to. Itong napakagandang lugar na to. Diba? Bigla kaming nagutom. Hindi namin dala yung mga camping gears namin dahil ang balak nga namin ngayong mahal na araw, transient homes, ganun yung pupuntahan namin tulad nung napuntahan namin sa Suwal. Kasi nga kasama namin ang lolo't lola, kasama namin ang mga bata, marami kami. So camping, hindi masyado. Hindi pwede for now. Buti na lang, meron kaming naiuwing isda galing sa Suwan. So yun yung iihawin namin. Ngayon, buti na lang may tindang uling. Ayan. Gawa ng paraan si tatay. Humiram kami ng grill. Tapos, yung kanin namin, nagpaluto na lang kami sa lokal. Sabi namin, ate, pwede bang magpaluto kahit 1 kilong kanin? Babayaran na lang po namin, sabi namin. So, yun yung plano namin. Tapos, mukhang napaplano pang mag-overnight dito. So, siguro, pag nag-overnight, dito na lang kami. Kanya-kanyang higa na lang. Cowboy naman tayo. Kaya din naman ng mga bata. Try natin. Okay? Abang-abang.
Ay, Dali Sagon, madam.
Oh, yan. Siya po ang kontakin nyo. Ang Facebook page po ay
Jim Sagon Cottage.
Jim Sagon Cottage dito po sa Tumogo. Ganda-ganda po dito. Ang tahimik. Ayan. Siya po ang nagbigay sa amin ng bigas dahil wala kaming dala. Niluto na rin niya. Tapos siya po nagpahiram ng kaserola. Nagbigay pa ng onion at kamatis. O, diba?
Ganyan talaga.
Thank you po. Salamat po.
Madam, balik kayo dito.
Oo.
Sa luteg na yung lalagyan ng kamatis at saka yan po, yung seaweed.
Ay, oo nga, no?
Yung sa puyot, sabi nila, yung one. Para ganun para yung na yung malambot na.
Ay, yung duyan sa inyo yun? Yung mga duyan? Yung mga nakasabit na duyan sa mga...
Madam, dala-dala nila.
Akala ko sa'yo yun. Hihiram sana.
Nandoon, madam, kung hirap, kung mayroon.
Saan pwedeng iduyan dito?
Kahit saan, dyan Tapos, kung saan, wala pa naman uupa. Oo. Meron doon doon. Kakabit ko lang. Meron din doon kwan. Mag-overnight ba kayo, madam?
Mag-overnight na ba tayo?
May folding bed doon kay nanay.
Oo nga. Si nanay. Kami kasi pwede dito
Oo,
sa ganito
dito.
Ano? Sa duyan si tatay. Pwede ka sa duyan na tayo.
May duyan doon. Ilang duyan namin doon kasi kanya-kanya kaming duyan pag nakakabit doon sa... Pero yung duyan ni... May duyan si Lakay pag nag-duty, dala-dala yun sa barangay.
Banig meron ka?
Meron. Yung-
Kumutunan.
Meron, yung galing nga sa, yung Tarlac, sabi ko, wala kaming kumot. Balak hindi nila balak mag-overnight, pero nag-overnight sila. Pinahiram ko ng banig, kumot.
Kaya
sabi ko,
pwesto na lang
sabi
kami
ko,
dito.
sabi ko sa kanila, ito lagyan nyo ng kwan, banig at saka kumot yung mga bata. Sabi ko kasi talagang,
Malamig.
madaling araw na malamig.
Ang importante lang naman si nanay sa kasi yung mga bata. Kami kahit kaya namin pumwesto kahit saan.
Kagabi nga yung mga overnight, kung saan-saan, makikita mo yun. Tapos yung mga binata dyan, bahala kayo dyan. Mabuti nga, malinis yung kwan, hindi... Dyan sila.
Magkano na pag overnight?
1,000 madam.
1,000 na. Ikaw, daddy. Dito na? Ah?
Ito mo kumakain. Pero sabi ko nga, pag ano, kasi yung mga bata lang naman ang iniisip ko kasi malamig. Kaya sabi ko yung mga babalik kami, yung iba nasa Valenzuela pa.
Ay, layo.
Magkakamag-anak.
Pwede sa doon sa likod ng sasakyan. Gusto mo? Hindi. Dito na lang. Nairam kami ha! Thank you.
In this moment of adventure, we were fortunate to come across a dolly of Mr. Jim Sagan's cottages. Her warm hospitality and willingness to help made all the difference. She provided us with the essentials we needed to survive the night and shared stories that enriched our experience.
Nakain pa? Ulam! Water daw pala si Aya, daddy. Bigyan mo nga. Low tide na, so kahapon na rin, mga mag-aalas 4. 4 to 5 na. Swimming ng mga bata. Ito yung mga rock formations dito. Yan, makikita nyo. Low tide na. Ito yung water kanina. Low tide. Rock formations. Gandang camping area dito. Ayun, may nagka-camping doon. Tapos doon sila nagkikitchen sa likod na tong batong to. Kasi malilim. Yan. Pwede mong ikutin yung rock formation na yung paikot na gano'n. Kasi pwede ng daanan. May mga ganito. Seaweed. Seaweeds and corals. Coral. Huwag nating gambalain. Oh no!
Give me another rock.
Ay, magsa-sunset na
Give me another rock. I got that.
sa bata.
Okay.
Ganda dito, tahimik.
Can you give me that one? Can you give me that? Wait.
Can you see the corals there? So nice. Yan. Pa-sunset na. So beautiful.
I'll be going to a skippy island now. Let's do.
Say hi, guys. Hi. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Lolo.
Oh, Daddy.
Yung isang baby namin tulog dun sa cottage. At napagdesisyon na namin mag-overnight na dito. So dun kami matutulog sa cottage dun. Bahala na si Batman. Ganun talaga. Pag camper ka, pag outdoorsy ka, kahit saan, 'di ba? Dapat ready. Pero hindi kami ready ngayon. Hindi gaano, pero we manage. We can manage, 'di ba? Ang ganda ng mga corals, no? Makikita mo dito. Ayan, no? Corals and seaweeds, no? Here. See? Wow. May mga maliliit na isda, pero hindi nyo siguro makikita gaano. Ganda, oh. There, oh, may nangingisda doon. Ayun, may nangingisda. You can see them. Yun yung kabilang beach. Doon daw maraming tao. Doon. Yung kabilang beach doon, doon yung maraming tao. Let me... Ayan. Ito yung mga rock formations. Let's go. Diba? It's beautiful here. Doon yung maraming tao. Doon. Doon sa beach na yun. Dito sa beach dito. Hindi gaano. Ayan. Rock formations. See? See the rock formations? Everyone? Wow. Can you hear me? Or ang naririnig nyo lang ay yung mga alon. Ang sound ng alon ng dagat. Oh. Wow, beautiful. See? So beautiful here. And so peaceful. There, doon yung kabila. Doon, hindi siguro gaanong mabato doon. Kung ayaw nyo nang masyadong mabato, doon kayo pumunta. So, dulo pa ng Tumok Beach. Ito kasi, yung pinuntahan namin, right, pagpasok mo pa lang, ito na yung makikita mo. Eh, okay na kami dito, hindi na kailangan pumunta pa doon. Doon, more, hindi masyadong mabato. Pero Tumok Beach pa rin to. So, the whole stretch is Tumok Beach. That Tumok Beach. So, that's the fun part. Be careful.
Help, Mommy.
Why? Where are you going? You stay there. You stay there with Daddy.
I'm going to go there.
No, don't go there.
Now.
You want to go there? The starfish has spines. You may get hurt. See? You stay there. You stay there. Here. There, oh, there's this one, oh. He has spines. The starfish has spines. You may get hurt. Yeah. You go back there now with Daddy.
Is that a shell?
There's no shell here.
Oh.
There's a lot of seaweed, but there's no shell. Yeah, that's a sea sponge.
Oh. I want shell. I love.
Oh, you go with Daddy. Enzo. Ay, hindi pa naman.
Shell.
Tingnan nyo. Oh, go with Daddy na. He wants to go there. That's adventure. There's a lot of seaweed here. Look. Ulam yan. Oo, ma-seaweeds. There's a lot of seaweeds here. Doon na lang. Rock formations. Papainit na ng tubig. Pangkape. Aki is still sleeping and it's almost night time. The sun has already set. May piso net din pala dito. Di ba, Daddy? Magkano yung piso net?
5 pesos 30 minutes.
5 pesos 30 minutes. Ayaw na naming buksan yung Starlink namin. Sayang ang 5,000. Ayan. Chill-chill muna, kape-kape, ganyan. Kakatapos kong magpalipad.
Ay, ano?
Ito pala yung sang lab. Meron pang kape ng lab. Meron.
Ay, nagpainit lang, guys.
Oo, nakainit. Diyan na lang, sasaw. Kuha. Hindi pa? Ay, hindi pa.
I go to win! 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 Na, 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 na.
Coffee time. Ayan, magse-set up na kami ng hihigaan namin dito. Doon si nanay, si tatay, si Jerry, mga bata. Good morning! Sobrang lamig pala dito pag morning. Kailangan ng jacket, di kami nagdala. But can you see that? Ooh. Moon yan eh, moon. Pero it's already 6 a.m. Look at that beautiful landscape. Ayan, dyan natulog si nanay. Doon si daddy. Dito kami. Dito si Aksa. Bibili lang tayo muna ng itlog na lulutuin ngayong umaga. Okay. It's a rooster. So, we already boiled water for coffee. Ngayon, nagbo-boil kami ng water for the itlog. It's almost done there. Nag-crack pa yung isa. Good morning po. Pangalan po, sir?
Jimmy Sagon. Page natin, Mr. James Sagon Cottages.
Okay.
Punta lang kayo to, pero ang style natin is camping style.
Yes.
So bring mga tent, ganyan, para enjoy lang.
Yes. Mr. James
Cottages.
dito sa Tumok.
Agno.
Agno, Pangasinan. Thank you, sir.
Diba?
Itong prinitong talong. For breakfast, tas nilagang itlog. Okay. Nilagang itlog and kamatis. Okay. Yes. It's still hot, Aya.
Ay, look!
Ito, madami na ang tao kasi Sabado Gloria na. Unti-unti nang nagdadatingan. Daddy, pag kumulo. I-crack mo, no?
Toraba!
Huwag mo muna ilagay yung powder.
Toraba!
Why aya?
Why?
My shell!
It's okay, we will get another one again.
Do you think that's the seed?
Bernardo, overland. Rolling out, yeah, we roll again. One big fam in a little frame. Hit that road, say the name. Dust on the tires, sunrise in the mirror. Kids in the back, yeah, pull it up nearer. Pine on the air, coffee in the tin cup, folding up the chairs. Hey.
Our unplanned overnight stay at Tumok Beach turned into a memorable adventure that we will cherish for a lifetime. It taught us the value of spontaneity, the beauty of nature, and the kindness of strangers. Sometimes the best moments in life come from the unexpected, and this experience was a perfect testament to that.
Turning strangers into fam each night. Thank you for the miles we share. Every wave, every fold out chair. From our camp to wherever you are out there. We say thank you, yeah. Thank you, yeah. Yeah, hey, yeah. Pulled into a small town, someone said what's up. Share one grill, pass one cup.
As we left the beach the next day, we were filled with gratitude not only for the beauty we witnessed, but also for the people who made our stay possible.
In the mud, hearts worldwide. You gave directions, we gave a plate. Now your driveway feels like our front gate. This is Bernardo Overland. Family ride, hand in hand. Chasing trails, chasing light. Turning strangers into fam each night. Thank you for the miles we share. Every wave, every fold out chair. From our camp to wherever you are out there. We say thank you, yeah. Thank you, yeah. Yeah. From the first hello at the side of the road to the last drive safe as we get ready to go. Your page and our story written in the dust. Every hug, every laugh, every ride with us. So if you're watching this screen, know you roll with the crew. Every mile that we climb, we carry you. Oh, this is Bernardo Overland. Family ride, hand in hand. Chasing trails, chasing light. Turning strangers into fam each night.
In the end, what was intended to be a brief stop became a treasured memory, one that will always remind us of the wonders that await when we embrace the unplanned.
We say thank you, yeah. From my family to yours. Much love forever. Bernardo Overland. Through any weather, take care, stay safe. Keep your spirit tender. Shout it with us. See you on our next adventure.